Hey campers and RVers, it's raining cats and dogs again. Surprise, surprise. What do you expect in the Northeast? That's all it does is rain out here. Anyways, just wanted to give you a quick update on the silicone that I put around the windows to stop the leak. I've got a Class A parked next to me here, but it's working great. No leaks. So you can see, and it is coming down like cats and dogs out there. And also, I'm not really noticing any leaks here in that black rubber area, so that's a good thing. But I just keep checking everything, especially with this crazy rains that the East Coast produces. Guess that's why everything's so green. As I'm looking at this a little bit closer, I'm going to test this out with a paper towel. Yep, there is a slight leak here. Very, very, very slight leak. That's why you always have to keep checking this stuff. It's crazy. You could really only do it when it's raining. I guess unless you put a hose against it. But when you're traveling by yourself, it's kind of hard to do. Yep, it's still leaking right here. So that's an area that I need to fix. You can see very, very, very small leak. See, the paper towel's just a teeny bit wet, but I'm going to stay on top of that. As soon as it stops raining, I'll go ahead and address that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Looks like there's something down in here. Yep. You can see it's wet there. So, I'm going to note this, that this area needs to be fixed. Seems like every time I start looking for leaks, I find them. Yep, very, very small leak right here. You get a paper towel and yep, that's a couple of drips. Certainly not major leaks, but enough to address, needs to be addressed. So it's right in here. So what I'm going to do is wait till it stops raining, and then I'll put that silicone in these areas. Always something. Yep, you can see, look at the paper towel, it's getting wet. Always something. The paper towel's getting wet. It's coming down in buckets out there. And it seems like probably this entire, it seems to me like it's this entire area that is leaking, and probably need to put silicone on the inside, which I didn't think. But so I'll check back with you later. So what I did is just take a dime and just use it to push down inside of the leaky area to absorb some of the water, and just keep an eye on it. I did the same thing over here. Just take a little dime and just push it down in there to absorb that water. Okay, campers and RVers, got another leak. Not sure where this one's coming from. I just see a bunch of water right there. And I have no idea where that's coming from. My rig is addicted to rainstorms. So I am not sure where this is coming from. Okay, I found another leak. See the drops? Great. Similar to the other one. So what I did is I identified where the leaks are. So when it stops raining and it gets above 30 degrees, then I'll go ahead and, or above 40 degrees, then I'll go ahead and see about patching that up. But at least I was able to find it. Those leaks and all the other leaks around here. It's always something. So I put the yellow rag up there to just collect some of the water. And hopefully it's not going to rain too bad tonight, but they're predicting that it's going to be about 3 to 5 inches of rain. So it always comes late at night. So I'll check back with you later.